Hey guys, welcome back to my Christmas series where I teach you different handmade gifts you can create for loved ones this year to make them feel extra special. Today's video is long overdue and I apologize for the delay, but we're going to be making some handmade Christmas cards. I'm very excited to show you guys how to do this in a spirit of Christmas, of course. All you're going to need are some cardstock paper. I have the white ones. You can go ahead and opt for a colored version if you want to make it extra special for Christmas, but you're gonna need is a printer, the cardstock paper, and Canva. So to get started, I'm gonna be opening Canva, and what I'm basically gonna be doing when I open Canva is search for a card template that they have for Christmas. And if you could see right here, it says they have 20,000 different templates for Christmas cards. And you can go down and find specific ones that you like, specific ones that you think would fit your theme. If you want to add pictures, you can select which ones you want for the pictures. But yeah, you just have to basically select one that matches what you're looking for and fill in the blanks. Basically, you can remove anything you want, add anything extra that you want to add, and then you have to print it out. Let's see, let's find something that I like. I think I like this one right here just because I'm able to add like pictures that I want to add of family or whomever. I also like this one right here because of the little ornaments. I think they're really cute. These are all super cute. I think I'm gonna pick this one right here. Now, one thing I want you to be mindful of is the size of the card that you're selecting in Canva, because this right here is 8.5 inches by 11. So if you select something, make sure that it fits to this specific size, or you can resize it on Canva, but you would have to have Canva Pro to be able to resize anything that you're doing on here. So be mindful of that when you're selecting your card template. For instance, this one right here that I select is card portrait mode, and it tells me it's 105 by 148 millimeters. I can customize this and I can also resize it with Canva Pro. That I've picked that out. Basically, all I'm gonna have to do is delete the pictures that's in there and insert my own pictures. Then go to uploads. I can upload any pictures that I already took specifically for Christmas, or you can find some on the elements part to fit the theme that you're looking for. So we're looking for Christmas, we're gonna find Christmas pictures and just insert that in there. I like this one. So what I'm gonna do is drag it onto it. You see how it automatically went into the little ornament? It needs to be a photo to be able to snap into the globe like that. And if you want to center it or change how it looks, you just have to click on the picture itself and click on the crop button, and you'll be able to like resize it, get a little bit better centered if you want to do that. Press return, and that's it. Now I have my globe filled with one of the pictures. Now all I have to do is find more pictures for this specific template, and I'll be good. Let's see, something else that represents Christmas. Gingerbread. Click on photos. This is cute. Select that, put it in there, snaps right onto it, and now I have one more picture left. What's something else that represents Christmas? Santa Claus. Go to photos, pick this one, and snaps on. Click on it, resize it so I can recenter it. Santa right there in the middle. Now I'm done. Now, because this is Merry Christmas up there, I'm gonna remove this and leave the Happy New Year. And here you can customize and put your family's name. Mine is Serene. Just put Serena Ramos. Now that we have our template and everything, the next step is printing it out. If you want to print it out automatically for it to be that specific size of your paper, you resized it, all you have to do is download and print it out. But since I want this to be a little bit smaller so it could fit better onto my card, so I can have some writing room on the back of it and have multiple cards in one piece of paper, I'm gonna resize this for it to fit onto my paper. And I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So starting now, next thing I'm gonna do is click on share, download. We're gonna leave it as a PNG file and download the file. And now it's going to show up when I download it right here. Next thing I'm gonna do is go to Gmail and open a new document for me to create the size that I want. And now we're gonna insert the picture that we just downloaded from Canva into this file specifically. And for that, I want you to be very mindful of where you're placing this picture so that when you fold the card, it folds properly with the picture in the front side of the card as opposed to the back side of the card, okay? So for that, I'm gonna have to click the space bar until I'm on that side, the right side of the file, and then I'm gonna go ahead to insert image, upload from the computer, find the name of the file that I just downloaded and upload it. Now it's too big. What I'm gonna do is just size it down until it fits to the page. And you find out when it finally fits to the page, it's on the right side as opposed to the left side. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the second one. And now they're both lined up and they're both on the opposite side. And now I'm gonna insert a horizontal line so I can cut around the area perfectly without no issues. Okay, now I have my pictures, I have my lines. Next thing I have to do is just print this out. For my printer, I have an Epson printer. I think it does inkjet printing, and this is what it looks like. Right here, all I'm gonna do is insert my paper and print. So now to print, all I'm gonna do is go to File and Print. If your computer is like mine, it's gonna download the file, and now all I have to do is print it out. I'm just gonna print the first page. So from 1 to 1, print in color and print. This is it. Now all I have to do is cut this out. I'm cutting along the lines that I made, that I told you guys about, that would make it easier for me to cut in a straight line. Now the next thing I have to do after cutting is just fold this in half. Here's the card. If you don't want the extra parts, you can obviously cut it out. But this is what I meant when I said you don't want this design to be on the back side, because if we had printed it another way, it would have been on the back side of the card itself. And now you have the card, you have the inside, you can write whatever it is that you want. Some people sign it. That's pretty much how you make some Christmas cards using cardstock paper, Canva, and a printer. Super easy, super quick. There are different designs that you can use on Canva to fit whatever it is that you're looking for. You can personalize this using your own family pictures that you took for the holidays. I know some of you guys really love taking family portraits together, so you can insert these pictures into the file. If you want Canva Pro so you can have more access to several different of the files that they do have, you can get that, but it is not needed for you to create these cards. You just have to find a template that is not on the Pro version. Now that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys made these cards for your families, personalize them however you want. If you do, let me know how much you like them in the comments below, and happy holidays. Bye.